Welcome back to Bitcoin Advisors channel. And yes, the global market slide after Fitch downgrades the US credit. And yes, it is steamrolling the market. The NASDAQ is down. Let's talk about real quick the last time what happened. What happened to NASDAQ the last time the S&P downgraded our credit rating, or was it Fitch, back in August of 2011. I just happened to mark it off on my trusty TradingView calendar here. Where is it? Where is it? 20% drawdown. Pretty darn nasty back in 2011. So market did recover 2 months later, but that's what you wouldn't want to see. The bearish engulfing candle as we're making the highs. And that's in fact what we're doing right now. The week is not over yet. The week is not over. So let's dig in. Why did they downgrade our credit rating? Basically, they said Joe Biden is so old, he can't pull his own pants up, and we think the government's sloppy. No, here's what they said. They said, Fitch downgraded U.S. credit rating, citing a steady deterioration in standards of governance and the American government growing debt burden. The rating downgraded the United States reflects expected fiscal deterioration over the next 3 years, a high and growing general government debt burden, and the erosion of governance relative to AA and AAA rated peers. So basically, Joe Biden, you're doing a bad job. Okay. Credit rating downgrade. And what I've been telling everybody is this. Look, the United States credit rating downgrade is like a Mastro's dinner compared to, European upgrades. Our 7-Elevens are, cleaner than their dirty laundry over at the other countries of the world, India, Philippines, Russia. I mean, all the, who knows what dirty scandals they're doing over there and how bad they're debasing their currency. Needless to say, it's not a shiny light on the US dollar. It shouldn't be. It shouldn't be. However, what's happening is if the US is getting downgraded, the rest of the world is getting like triple downgraded. Like if you think it's bad in the US, go to Europe with 20% inflation. Go to communist China, go to communist North Korea, go to the Philippines where, people are working for $4 an hour, or I don't know what the pay is, or minimum wage, but it's much different living conditions. We're slapping the U.S. with a limp wrist. The other countries are getting spanked. The rest of the world knows it. So it's flight to the dollar, capital of the dollar. And does it have its effect on gold? Inverse correlation to gold is playing out very, very nicely. And we're just caught right in the middle of the range on gold. Just tapping the fibs, tapping the liquidity to the upside or the downside, holding the trend line. I would look at this as a major buying opportunity with a good risk to reward setup here. Why? We're right along a major trend line, a major fib, and gold doesn't have much volatility. So, you can low risk, high reward, and you look at a bounce shot back to the top side of the range, or at least I would target a bounce after a bit of a tap here, at least up to the 618, right? So gold target, I'll give you a gold target right there at 1970, and you could honestly put your stop loss right here. So if I was going to do a short-term trade setup, let's see if I can make it a little easier to see here, and then we'll post it on our Discord. You can join the Discord for free and get all the best trading signals in the world. Just kidding. Just putting together a group of traders that want to learn about how to get long and how to get short at the right times. Okay. I don't want this one. I want the long one, I guess. Here we go. Tighten it up. And yeah, that is actually in fact risk 1%. So right below this prior wick low right here, that's probably where I'd put my stop if I was a little more aggressive. You know what, let's do it like this, right below these wicks. Let's tighten it up a little bit. Let's say we're going to get a miracle bounce off of the dollar right now. That's what you'd be looking for, targeting this move. With the risk to reward, you're risking 0.2% to make 1.2%. That is pretty nice risk to reward ratio, something like that. We'll take a screenshot of that one and put her in the Discord really quick, just for fun. just for fun, because you can now trade gold on leverage. Again, not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but there's a lot of products out there. You can get really long on some gold and you know, just have a bunch of fun and not have to deal with heavy metal weighted stuff. All right, Discord, here we go. Here we go. Take me just another second, guys, and boom. All right, that's it for that. I'm gonna wrap it up on this video. I hope you guys have a blessed and highly favored day. I hope everything is going well in your world and getting some good trades in there. Don't forget, if you want to learn how to trade Bitcoin 101, how to stack sats using technical analysis, we've got a free trading course. You can check it out, cryptcourses.com. We've got the cheat sheet for bullish and bearish divergence here, and a bunch of good information at Bitcoin Advisors. And last thing, oh, Mike knows more good news there. I think that's it, guys. I'm going to wrap it up there. Have a blessed and highly favored day. See you tomorrow.